So here we have a 2018 Chevy Malibu. If anybody ever opens their driver's door and what you hear is this, sounds like something is loose in there, it's something actually very simple. There are videos on YouTube on how to remove your indoor panel. But this is what the problem is. When you look inside of the door, it's lined with these protective foam pieces. That's what you find right there. It's just right there. It just came apart. A little bit of glue, put it back together, and reinstall your panel. Problem solved. Good luck.